Hi, good evening, Algo. Good evening, all of you. So, from today onwards, I'm going to trade in Bitcoin in a live market. I'm streaming it live. Hi, good evening, Algo. Good evening, all of you. Okay, let's start. I use this three indicator EMA 9. You are seeing it on top left corner. 9 EMA, 15 EMA, and 200 EMA. So 9 and 15 is very closer. 9 EMA means previous 9 candles average. 15 EMA means previous 15 candles average, and 200 EMA means previous 200 EMA average of 200 candles average. Okay, 200 why I use is 200, this yellow line you are seeing it, right? I am using it for whether 200, if it is above 200, then the market will be bullish. See, if it is below 200, then market will be bearish. That psychology we have to develop. Okay, so this is just for a viewing for bullish or bearish. And 9 and 15 EMA, I use it for support and resistance. So if it is crossing above, this blue color is 9 EMA, black color is 15 EMA. Blue color, if blue color line EMA 9 EMA crosses above this 15 EMA, then the market will be bullish. If it is crossover below 15 EMA, 9 EMA comes, then the market will be bearish. So today I'm going to take trade if I get opportunity. Only when opportunity comes, not every day. See, now I'm going to draw a trend line over here. So this is a 200 EMA. If this 200 EMA breaks down, then I'm going to take a short trade from here. I mean below this candle. If it is above, then I'm going to trade this above. This trend line I'm drawing it. If I see in a day candle, completely the market is in a bullish trend now. From past few days it is in a bearish, continues from here, it is a bearish. Now it is going to bullish. Now it is going in a bullish direction, where here there is some resistance, because this is a pullback of this wave from here. Here there will be some resistance. If this breaks, then it may go up, or else it may come to pullback. And in one day candle also, the 9 EMA is coming above, so then it is bullish. So and next I am seeing it in a 1 hour. So 1 hour also the trend is in bullish direction. So before I traded over here, now I am going to show you a live trades from here. So now the market is in bullish. You can see over here the 9 EMA is above the 15 EMA. So then the market is taking support, then it is going up again. Now it is taking support, then if it breaks up, so where I drawn here the trend line, and it is going to a bullish, because it is taking a support over here for 15 EMA, and if it closes above 9 EMA, then it will go in a bullish trend in 1 hour. So if I see in a 15 minutes, so 15 minutes the overall market has stretched up. From here the bearish has started because of previous resistance over here. So this is very important. Support and resistance is very important. So I am going to take trade in 5 minutes time frame. So for this is a 5 minutes. So as I say, if this breaks down, then market may go bearish, because I said, right, overall the market is in bullish trend, but here there is a 200 EMA. If it is closes below this, then the market may fall down. Let's wait and watch. It should close this candle should be closed. So it is not closing below this. It is taking support at 200 EMA. Let's draw this support line over here. So if 1 minute, in 1 minute candle, if it closes below this, then we'll take a short entry. Let's see. I hope you get learning from this. Just practice this trade, practice these price actions, then you can take a trade. So it is going bullish now. So it is taking support at 200 EMA. Once if this candle closes below this, then we'll take trade. So I am using XNES platform, where now in India the XNES is just closed just close the operations. Only before who has opened the accounts, they can only trade. Rest of the people, like, they need to open other demat accounts. Hi madam. Yes, thank you so much. I hope you get learnings from this, and I think you are also trading in crypto, right? See, now it is taking support at 200 EMA. So let's wait and watch. Now we can shift this trend line to over here. Yes, now because in the evening this session very volatile will be there, the Bitcoin and other etherum and all those things, because now US market has opened. US market has opened at 7 p.m. so it will be at until 1 p.m. So if anything news, if you want to know anything about news, so forex factory, so based on this the market may be super bullish or super bearish. You can see this forecast, previously data and forecast data and actual data what it is coming. Today there is no news in USD dollar, US government dollar. If there is any unemployment or CPI data or monetary policy, if the US dollar is negative, then US dollar becomes weak. If dollar becomes weak, then the Bitcoin and all the gold price will go up. If dollar becomes strong, then the Bitcoin and all will become down. Okay, so it is coming down. Let's wait and watch. Yes, good evening sir, good evening. So please like the live stream so that it will boost to other people who wants to trade in Bitcoin. For them it will boost in a YouTube channel, so in YouTube platform, so that they can get benefit from this. See, it is taking support here, over here. So if it crossed the above, then we can take a bullish trade over here. So I'll put this projection line. 1:1 or 1:2. Let's see if it is closes above this, then only. If this wick would have not there, then the trend line may come over here, but we have to follow the rules. Rules is very important here over here. If there is no rules, you can blow off your account, because there is so much of volatility and you get more leverage over here. If I click on buy, so you can see over here, I'm doing it at 0.01, so the fees is 0.16 USD, means 0.16 USD. So the leverage is 1:400. I mean, if I invest $1, they give $400. So now my margin is 2.88. I mean, I am using it for 2.88 USD in dollar. So you can put a stop loss over here, and the target also you can shift it over here. Target also you can shift it over it. If I click on buy, then it will execute. So now I can analyze how much is my stop loss, how much is my target, 1:2. So like this I can analyze the trade. So now we'll go for bullish from here. From here, if I draw trend line also, so it is coming, it is respecting the trend lines over here. See over here, if it is closing above the 200 EMA. Yeah, so you should have so much of patience so to take a trade, because until we get a chance, you need not to execute in a hurry burry. You should control your emotions, you should control your mind. Always you should have some patience over here, and you should control your mind. See, now if I get a chance, I can buy over here. See, it should close above this, so there will be good sign. If it is miss, then we'll shift to a 1 minute time frame. If this 40 seconds candle close, then we'll take a trade over. Yes, we'll take a trade over here. If this candles so much volatile will be there. Yes, we'll take an entry over here. If this candle, yes, the candle has closed, I have taken an entry over here. Okay, so I need to shift this stop loss to this $3. The stop loss is over here. Then we'll take a 1:2. The target is here. $3 is stop loss and $6 is profit. Yes, good evening, sir. See, 5 minutes it has not closed above this, but it is okay. But if I waited, if I would have waited, it would have gone like this, because the Bitcoin will be very volatile. If I show you previously, see this candle, if I wanted to close, I mean if I wanted to wait up to here, it has closed above here. See, so much of points from here. If I measure it, so almost 800 points above it has closed. You should stick to the rule. I should take either stop loss or target. Until then I will not exit. If I get 1:1, if I get 1:1, that is 1:1 means I am risking a $3. If I get 1:1, I will put a, then I will put this stop loss to cost, so that I will be in a risk free. So let's shift to 15 minutes. 15 minutes, see, it is taking support at 15 EMA, 9 EMA. If this 9 EMA comes above this, then the market may go bullish in 15 minutes, and in 5 minutes already it has came up. So you can see over here, from here only it has crossover 9 EMA above 15 EMA. So now it is still in a bullish. Yes, let's wait and watch. So you need to have so much of patience, and you should not be there should not be any emotions. So you should control your mind, should calm yourself. The psychology should be very strong. So it is still there. See, now you can see it in a 1 minute, right? So same thing in 1 minute, it is taking support at a 9 EMA. So below this there is a 15 EMA. If this crosses, then it can go bullish. So it can go bullish up to 1:1. See, it has, you can trade, you can take same setup in 1 minute also. So over here, see, if this crossover has happened and it has closed above this, then you can take trade in 1 minute and you can put a stop loss over here. Then 1:1, 1:2 target. See, within one candle you can get it. So now in 1 minute it is crossing over. You can see this 1 minute candle is 189 points, 189 pips. We'll call it as in a pips. If it comes down also, it will take support over here. Yes, now it is going up. Yeah, it has given a breakout. So it has given a massive breakout. It can be also a fake out. So if it can come down also. See, so much of volatile. This is showing breakout and it can come down also. If I'm getting opportunity, then only I will take trade in live, or else I won't. I will explain the price action and how things works here, over here. So how the support and resistance works over here. See, I have drawn this support over here. So if I go to 15 minutes, I will tell, see, here there is a resistance, right? Here is one of the support. If it comes down, then this will be a support, and the market is here. If the market is here, then this will be a support. So this will be a support. You think that if this will be a support, and the resistance is over here, you can see this, the resistance is over here, multiple times it has touched over here. You can take this resistance over here, and this is also one of the resistance, because here you can see there is so many wicks over here. So many wicks. So now you can see it. So it has given a fake, it is not fake, but there is a selling pressure over here. See, you can see this wick. If I go to 1 minute time frame, see, it has given a breakout over here, but it is not sustaining. See, now it is coming below 15. And if I come to a 5 minutes, so 5 minutes also, here there is a resistance, right? Here there is a resistance, so it is taking so much of resistance over here. Before here is there, if it is cross above, see, up to here it has come. You can check it over here up to this line. So up to this line, if it closes above this, then it can go up, but now there is a resistance over here, so it is not taking support. I mean, it is the buyers are filing down, sellers are dominating over here. Either I have to take stop loss or target. If it is coming down, it may take support over 9 EMA and 15 EMA. Overall the trend is in bullish, and if that is taking a support of 200 EMA and it is going up. So you can wait until here also. If it is closes above, anyone, if you want to take trade, you can. If it closes above this, you can take trade, or else this will be aggressive entry, because here there is a massive resistance and it has fallen down. So now it is taking resistance over here. If it closes above this, then it might cross this also. Here there will be so much of liquidity, orders here and above this. So now here there will be some liquidity as it has took down. Next the liquidity will be over here. So if it comes here, then all the stop losses will hit and it can go up. So now you can see that it is taking support over here. So the buying pressure is coming. And in 15 minutes, the candle is in doji. Previously, you can see this 5 minutes candle, there is a selling pressure. So it is showing a shooting star. So from here it can fall down. Now you can observe this. If it closes like this, above there is a selling pressure, below there is a buying pressure. So market will be either it will go up or down. So both people are fighting, sellers are fighting and buyers are fighting. But previously you can see this is a Marubozu candle. So what it tells is, it tells a aggressive buyers over here. Buyers are dominating in this candle. Here you can see there is an aggressive Marubozu candle. Later on, lower wick. Here you can see it upper wick, then lower wick. So then you can see it lower wick. It is not closing below 200 EMA. Then now there is so much of buyers over here. You can think that so much of buyers over here. If they get liquidity, it may go up. So this is the psychology. You have to talk with the candles. You have to read the candles. You have to speak with candles. Yes, see, now selling pressure and buying pressure. Now let's see whether it will go down or up. Overall it is in a bullish trend. Because of this resistance, it is falling. You can see this from here, it has fallen down. From here you can see this, it has fallen down. Previous also it has fallen from here, not aggressively fallen. From here it has fallen aggressively. So that is why now it is taking some resistance over here. In 15 minutes also you can see it, there is a selling pressure. I mean, this in 15 minutes, 4 minutes, it has to close after 4 minutes. Then we'll decide which candle it is happening. Either it is doji or shooting star. So see, now again the buying pressure is coming, but still 4 minutes there. Nothing is in our hand. In our hand, which is in our hand, we can say is entry is in our hand. We have entered already. Stop loss is in our hand. We have already kept the stop loss of $3 and target is in our hand. That's it. Between this, nothing is in our hand. Either it has to hit target or it has to hit stop loss. We have to fix to this rule, because consistency, if we make 1:2 consistency, if I lose 10 trades also, if I lose in 5 trades in 10 trades, again I will be in a profit, because 1:2 target. So until 10:30 I will be there every day from 9:30 to 10:30. Between that, if I get a trade, then I can do it, or else before that also I would have done if I get opportunity, or else in a live stream I can do it. If I get opportunity only, then I can do, other else I can't. Yes, now buying pressure is coming, so you can see it in a 1 minute candle. So I told you, right? So 5 EMA, sorry, 9 and 15 EMA, so it this closed below this. Now it is taking support at 9 and 15. Now it is going up. If this closes above this, you can also take trade if anyone wants to take. One minute. This is 1 minute, right? You can draw a trend line over here. You need to stick to some rules, some system. You need not to change any rules, like using indicator, different indicators every day. If this month that indicator works, next month if won't works, then we should not exit that. Again we are disturbing our psychology, mind and emotions. Consistency profit we will not get it. Yes, now I am getting into profits. So let's see. Now buying pressure is there, it should go up. Let's wait and watch. So you should have so much of patience. As I told before, you should have so much of patience. So now you can say it is going in a 1 minute time frame. Yes. See, here aggressive selling has come, because here also there is aggressive selling. You can see it, right? Aggressive selling. That is why it is taking set resistance and it has falling. It is falling from here, from here. Now again you can see it, this 1 minute candle. So here buyers are getting ready, but sellers are dominating from here, because this is the resistance zone. That is why market always respects for resistance and support zones. We also need to respect those zones. Yes, it has become 10 o'clock. if this closes above this, then it can go up, because here there is a resistance, right? And next is over here. If I get 1:1, I'll put this stop loss to cost to cost, this stop loss to cost, but my target is here. In 1 minute you are getting a selling pressure. I hope you are getting some information regarding this Bitcoin. You can also trade in etherum, you can also trade in gold, silver. In this platform I'm saying, in XNES platform. Other platform you cannot trade, like Delta Exchange, CoinDCX, CoinSwitch. So it is a India approved brokers. Yeah, now it is going up. Yes, see, it is taking support at 9 EMA. This is a good sign. It can go slowly, then you can go bullish. I can show you this so many trades. See, it is taking support here. Now you can see these trades, it is taking very less. I mean, there is no buyers, all sellers, but it is respecting over 9 EMA, then it is taking massive breakout and it is going up. Again here also you can see it, 9 EMA it has given support, then it has broken 15 EMA, but here there is a support, right? Here there is a resistance, it is taking support. You need not to worry here, because so many people, what they think, if this is going down, they will take a short entry here. This is wrong. Immediately it has given bullish, because there will be a liquidity over here, liquidity here. It has taken liquidity, liquidity, then it has given up. So this is like only pullback. You can expect some pullback over this and this. Here there will be liquidity, right? They will take the liquidity over here and they will go up. Sellers, they will put the stop loss here. They will take the liquidity here. So this is gonna happen in Indian market also. See, now it has given above this. If it closes this 5 minutes candle, see, nice move. I'll shift it to 1 minute. See, it has given above this. Now the candle, 5 minutes candle has closed. See, it has taken support over here. If you see in 1 minute also, it is taking support over here. Let's wait and watch. It can go up to here. There is a resistance, right? Why it has fallen from here? Let's see back. Historical data. Because of this resistance, see, it has gone up to here. You can see it over here. Now, if this gives a breakout, it can go above this. Next, see, here there is a, we'll call this as fair value gap. Fair value gaps. FVG. Fair value gaps means from previous candle to this candle there will be some differences. This is called fair value gap. It should go above fair value gap. Here there is no fair value gap. See, here there is a fair value gap, but it has market came here and it has fallen down. Now the fair value gap is here. it can go up to here. If that overall breaks, if this resistance overall breaks, it can go up to here. So let's see what happens now or in the midnight. You need to stick to the rules. You need to follow the support and resistance, then target and stop loss. Now if I sleep also, if this comes down, the stop loss hits, or else if it goes up, the target hits. That's it. In either of these both, any one should happen. If the market is sideways, then it will not hit target, it will not hit stop loss. But this is a Bitcoin, very volatile will be there. It will hit within, maybe it may take 1 or 2 hours. In midnight there will be so much of volatile, because everyone people will come into that thing, because for them it will be like morning. For us now it will be, for us it is night, for them it will be a morning. Yes. I hope you are getting some learning from this. Let's see, let's wait and watch. Either my target hits or stop loss hits. Yes, it is going. You can see it, there is no so many of buyers. This candle, it has given a breakout over here. The liquidity has taken down. Next, this one, this thing, overall here. Slowly it is going up over this. Yes. You can see it in a 1 minute. See, it is taking support over 9 EMA in 1 minute. Let's see in 15 minutes what it has given. Yeah, 15 minutes, the 9 EMA has crossed over 15 EMA, then it is a good sign. See, previously you can see over here 9 EMA is below 15 EMA, then it is bearish. You can see over here. If it is bullish, see how it has given. See, if it is bullish, it is taking support over here. Support, 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 then it is bullish, 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 bullish. So this formula, it is like formula. We have to stick to this. Yes, again the lower wick is coming. You can see this lower wick. What this lower wick says? It says that there is a massive bullish buyers. Previously, it has taken a support here. Now, if this breaks, this liquidity grab, because for institution people, so much liquidity is needed. If it takes down SL, then it can take bullish trades. I mean, it can go massively breakout and it can go above this. Yeah, in 1 minute time frame also it is taking support over here, 9 EMA and 15 EMA. Here there is a resistance, right? So it is taking some resistance over here. Here sellers are there, so some people sellers are there. Sellers should get out if this breaks out. So it's already 10:15. Yeah. So this forex factory is like news for news. Bitcoin reacts for news. Now today there is no news. It's 6:30 p.m. CNY. That is not for Bitcoin. GBP is Great Britain pounds. CBI realized sales report, repo rate, and unemployment report, CPI. So all this comes over here. You can read all this news over here. But today there is US government data may be impacted by shutdown. There is some shutdown, I think so. Tentative events are subject to delay, revision or cancellation. So maybe there is no events today. Every day some or the other events will be there. Not like Indian market. Indian market occasionally will be the repo rate, RBI repo rate and budget and election results. Here 1 or 2 events will be there every day. But today there is no event. Before you can say I'll change our date here. Before 7:30 AM morning it was there, 25th. And tomorrow there is 27th today. Tomorrow at 6:30 p.m. See, you can see it. 6:30 p.m. S&P CS composite. Previously it has given 1.8%. forecast means 1.9%. Now actual, if it comes below this, then the market may fall. So this impacts, which is a red zone, right? This red zone, it is more dangerous, high impact. So let's see what's our trade is going on. It has fallen down. Yes, it should take support over here. Instant profit we won't get. That we have to keep it in our mind. Minutes it has given above crossover. Let's see. See, there is a resistance right now. It is taking some red candles. Sellers are coming, but here there are so many buyers. They are not letting down go. See, it is now again the wick is coming here. If the below wick there is a buying pressure. If it is above wick, there is a selling pressure. Because market has gone up to here, then it has closed here. Here also market came up to here, then it is closing above this. Yes, it is taking support at 9 EMA. Now in 1 minute time frame you can see this, the 9 EMA is coming down. So the 9 EMA is coming down means then in 1 minute there is a bearish trend. If this close above this, then this is a massive support. See, now it is going up. Again there is a selling pressure. So much volatile will be there. You can see this, only this one candle, you can see over here, only this one candle is 85 points, and this candle you can see it 189 points. We'll call it as pips, 189 pips, 189 points, 189 or 189 points or 189 pips, we can call it only one candle. But in our Indian market, if you want 189 points, then we have to wait for whole day 9:15 to 3:30. But here in 1 minute, because the Bitcoin is at $1,15,429. Yes, it is taking support. So if anyone wants to take trade here also, you can take. If this closes above this, then you can take trade. Here also, see, I told you, right? Here also there is one more trade. Keep stop loss over here, 1:1. then cost to cost, or 1:2 you have to wait. Now also it is taking resistance. If it closes, then again it will go bullish. Yes. Yeah, this is purely price action. We call it as N pattern. N pattern means I'll show it over here. Going above, then coming down, going above, then coming down. If this breaks, again it will go. This is like N pattern, and we'll call it as wave. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Aggressive, it is taking support and it is going up. Now it should take liquidity over here. Yeah, see, I told you, right? If all the stop loss hit, then it will move massively. Suddenly it moved around 60 points, 60 to 70 points over here. So it has taken liquidity, all the liquidity. Now I am getting almost 1:1. See, I put a stop loss of $3. Now I am getting 2.5. If it comes here, then I will this shift to cost to cost. I will shift this cost to cost. So cost to cost. Yeah. So now I am shifting this to cost to cost. Now I am risk free. You can see it. Now I am risk free. If it comes down also, my capital is safe, because I got 1:1. Now I should aim for 1:2. My trade is now completely risk free. My capital is safe. So now I have to concentrate on 1:1. I have got it. Now 1:2. I have to look for it. Here I told you, right, there will be a massive stop losses, liquidity. Sudden it has given move. Still 49 seconds. If it closes above this, then again aggressive buying may come. If if it is any event or like this, within blink of an eye, the market may go around 500 to 1000 points within a minute. I can show you here. This you can see in 5 minutes. You can see it over in 5 minutes. It has given 1276 point. From here I can measure this from year to year. 1000 to 2000, 1255, 1.1%. 1.1%. Okay, let's concentrate on our trade. If you go to 15 minutes, yeah, nice move as giving. It may go up here. Above this also it may go. In 1 hour. Yeah, in 1 hour also, see, it is taking support here, then massive breakout. Now also it is taking support here, then it may go up. You'll get to know today or tomorrow. If it grows above this, again it may go up. Now it has taken liquidity, now it is taking support here. So in 5 minutes you can see this breakout over here. So it may come down till here, then it may go up. So in 15 minutes candle is closing, above there is a selling pressure, below also there is a selling pressure, and the doji, if doji comes, then market may go opposite direction. See here it has given doji, the market is moving opposite. When red doji, then up. Again you can see green doji, then down. Red doji above. So doji, if it is doji, then market may come down. Still 35 seconds. Let's see what candle happens in 15 minutes. Four, 3, 2, 1. So it has not closed complete doji like this. There is some body. If there is some body, then it can go up. But there is also a selling pressure over here, buying pressure over here. Let's see what will happen if I see in 1 hour. Oh, okay, 1 hour also it is given very good bullish candle. See, this is a completely uptrend, down, taking support and going up. See, I guess it has taken 9 EMA support, but if it comes below also, there is no loss, there is no profit. Cost to cost I will exit. Okay. Another 5 minutes I will be there live. Now 10:30 has happened. From 9:30 to 10:30 I can come every day due to busy schedule. Overall watching, please subscribe, like and share to your friends and families who are wanted to trade in crypto and they are not getting how to trade, so they can get so much of learning from here. From this YouTube channel they can get so much of learning. And please comment, who is watching, please comment. Who are already commented, thank you for so much for them. Still who are not commented, like the video and share to who is liking the crypto or Bitcoin trade, because in Indian market we have only time restriction. 6 hours 15 minutes, 9:15 to 3:30. Within that only we have to do, and below between that we have to have food, and some other people will call, go, come. There will be no time, like maximum there will be time of like 4 hours, 4.5 hours to trade, that's it. But in crypto you can do it 24/7. Whenever you want, you can get up, you can take a trade, put stop loss, target, then sleep. Either it will hit stop loss or target. Yes, Ramesh sir. But so much of risk will be there, you have to do according to your risk management, the stop loss and target. Even I am also learning in crypto. I am not expert in crypto, so that is why I am taking on little lot, small lots. Little lot means like small profit and small loss is enough for me. If this losses also happens also, there is fine. I get learnings from this. Yes, every day is a learning process. One fine day, like the graph will be very high. Now there will be a flat graph. The traders, little profit. Then when it goes, and when you get confident, when you get knowledge of this, and when you get sure shot about the price action, candles, it will go up like this, then you can invest more amount. Now I am using like just $2.55, that is around 250 rupees, 260 rupees, that's it. But now already I am getting 1:1. You can see this 100% of my investment. I investment $2.55, now I am getting $2.43, almost 100%. So whatever you invest, 100% return. But there is a risk factor. If it goes down also, there is 100% risk. Yes sir, in live we can learn lot of things. Yes sir, because practical is the only learning thing in stock market. Theory and all, okay, that is fine. For basic understanding purpose we can learn the theory, but actual the knowledge comes from practical trading. Yes, so it is not moving up. Yeah, it's already time, so I'll just leave this trade here. Either it will hit cost to cost or it will hit target. Either of the one it may hit. So now I will close the live session. Hope you liked it. Who wants to trade in crypto, please follow this channel. You can share to your friends also. Okay, if this breaks out, then only again it may go up. Okay, let's end the live stream here. Again, from tomorrow also same thing. Every day 9:30 p.m. I will be available in live trades, so you can also come until 10:30. 1 hour, 1.5 hour. We'll learn so much of things. Even I am also in a learning phase. I hope I will also get knowledge from you. If you want anything else, you can just comment, or you can just message me. This is getting breakout over here. If this breakouts, yes, yes sir. Good night. Good night. Good night. Thank you so much for supporting. Please keep supporting. Thank you so much for commenting, liking. This motivates me, because comments, shares, likes, and it will get boosted to others who wants to view this type of channel. It's completely free. There is no any charges. Just you can follow and you can view this channel videos, and upcoming videos I will also post. I'll be also posting every day live. I will be coming. Okay, thank you so much. Let's close the stream now. Thank you all who are all joins. Good night everyone. Good night. Good night. Yes, good night. Thank you. Good night.